Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of numismatics to explore the worth of a 2002 Germany 20 euros cent coin in good condition. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. We did some research, and guess what we found? This 2002 Germany 20 euros cent coin, in good condition, has been creating quite a buzz in the numismatic community. Recently, it appeared in a heritage auction, where collectors from around the world bid to own a piece of history. Examining the coin closely, you'll want to look for signs of wear and tear. A coin in good condition typically means it has visible wear, but the design and lettering are still relatively sharp. Any significant scratches, dents, or discoloration could affect its value. So, how much is this coin worth in today's market? Well, the value of coins can fluctuate based on various factors, such as demand, rarity, and overall condition. In the case of this 2002 Germany 20 euros cent coin, it fetched $100,000 at the heritage auction. Isn't that amazing? The world of coin collecting is full of surprises, and values can vary greatly based on market trends and collector interest. If you happen to have one of these coins in your collection, it's essential to get it appraised by a professional to determine its precise value. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting coin-related content.